Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
That's Michael behind the camera. And this is my kitchen. So anyways, like I was telling you guys a couple of days, I don't know if you guys remember me pulling this up and said, hey, we're gonna have some lemon cake. So yeah, the time is today right now, and we will be making super moist lemon cupcakes. That's what we're gonna make. So we're not gonna be making cake. So anyway, so this is the Michael asqueroso.
Sorry about that.
That means he's dirty. You gotta back up. Don't be doing that, you know? Because he gets with that camera. I can't see.
All right.
You know, that's not good. So anyway, it says here that you need a cup of water.
All right.
So we have 1 cup of water. That's the mix. Okay, took another box, pour it in my little bowl. 1 cup of water and half a cup of oil.
That's right.
It can be vegetable oil. The best one is vegetable oil, but any oil.
And what is this, Mom? You know, lemon cake?
Oh,
Cupcakes?
and 3 eggs.
That's right. Eggs are very important.
And it says 3 eggs, right, Mike?
That's right.
Does it say in the box 3 eggs?
3 eggs. Show them, Mama.
Yeah. Yeah,
right there, guys.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Look, see, guys? Look.
Didn't I crack them already? No, I haven't.
3 eggs. Nope.
Okay, so we're gonna put.
Crack it up.
And I like using my brown eggs.
Okay.
They do have less cholesterol.
They're actually
than,
just better
the
overall.
Regular, they
and
have
they're really
less
not
cholesterol.
that difference in price.
Well,
Couple cents.
the brown actually,
Like 8
they
cents.
are better. It's good to get your eggs at least cage-free. You know, that is something that I am like very careful. These, I buy them. They only cost me $3.99. I get 18 of them. You know how eggs have gone up a lot.
Yes.
But these are cage-free, and you know, they have less radicals and all that stuff that they, you know, have to put in food.
That's right.
When it's sold. So anyway, here we go. We're
Mix
gonna mix the batter.
Mix it up.
Right? Look at how fast, Mike.
Already looks good.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
And then we're gonna pour it. I already have the oven on 350. Mike will
That's right.
show everybody.
Check it out.
Hold on a second.
Should I show them the cupcake
I'm gonna be
tins?
coming over there in a second.
Oh,
Hold
okay.
on.
So you want to show
We can
them.
just all go together.
All right, let's
You
go
know?
together.
Okay,
Look at that,
so
everybody.
We're gonna stay over here.
What is that stuff in there?
I just put a little butter. I took a little bit of piece of butter and roll it in each cupcake.
Roll it in,
little
roll
hole.
it in.
Exactly. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make cupcakes, guys, and I'm gonna make frosting.
Yes.
With my own hands.
Yes.
I
With those
already
2 hands.
put-
1.
Where's the other
2.
thing that I have you put it in the fridge for me?
Yes.
I
The
already
egg
cracked
whites.
3 egg whites, 3 eggs, and just took the egg whites and put it in this see-through little pot. And then what I'm gonna do is, after I put the cupcakes in, I'm gonna take that out, and I'm gonna start, you know, with this. Or I have an electric hand cake mixer.
Egg beater.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Beat it up,
So what are we
beat
gonna
it
do right
up.
now? We are putting the cupcake mix
Yes.
in.
All right.
1.
Let's do it. And what are these called again? Lemon
2.
cake cupcakes?
Lemon cake. Lemon cake cupcakes.
All right. Let me take a look. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Lemon cake cupcakes. Yep.
All right.
That's what it is. I don't know how many I'm gonna be able to make.
I think at least 12.
You think?
Yep.
Yeah, I think so.
I think you're
too.
1 pan too
Then
much.
if I eat a little bit on the other ones.
Maybe an extra. Maybe 13.
You know. Well, you know they're gonna grow, right?
Yep.
So I don't want to put them. That's why I'm not.
You never want to fill the thing all the way, guys.
That's why I'm not filling them up. You know.
Yeah.
See?
Look at that.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a little extra. Okay, Michael, can you put that camera a little bit more away from my face?
Oh, yeah.
You have it right on my face.
I'm sorry about that.
Yeah.
Just looking at those beautiful
Putting a little
cupcake
bit more on
molds.
that one. That looks a little bit empty there. You know, there you go.
All right.
Okay, hold on. So I think, yes, I think I did right by taking out all 3 little
You did.
things.
Yes, you did. Yes, you
Right?
did.
Because as you can see,
They're almost all full, guys.
I think I'm gonna make, I can make 1 more.
So that's 6,
And then,
12,
yep.
18. Wow. And how much did we spend on that, Mom? How much did we
Oh,
spend?
that was $3. $3.26.
All right.
Gets you 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cupcakes. Hold on, Michael. You're not going anywhere.
Oh, no, I'm looking at you.
Look
I'm looking
how
at
pretty.
you.
It's coming out like so nice. You
I know.
Put that camera in here.
No, I'm taking a look.
I know I can't eat it, and gosh, I hate. Maybe you people say, why you make that if you can't be eating that stuff like that? Because I like to smell it. It makes me happy to see other people eating
That's right.
it. And that's one thing. You cannot just stop doing. I mean, if just because I can't eat something doesn't mean my kids or my husband they can't have it.
That's right.
And I like to cook.
And we like to share with you.
And these are like cakes
Everyone.
from a box, but instead of baking a cake, I decided to make cupcakes out of it. It's the same thing. It's still going to be cake, just in the shape of a cupcake. And I don't have any frosting, so I'm going to make my own frosting. So we're going to be putting these in the oven right now. The oven is set. Here we go, Michael. Going in. I'm going to put them all in the middle, lined up. That one in the middle. And then these two. Like that. And we're going to leave them there for, I'm going to say 20 minutes.
Yep.
It says between 11 and 17 in the box, right?
Yeah.
But I want to do 20 minutes. Let me see. How many minutes does it say back here?
13 to 17. 12 to 17.
12 to 17?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so exactly. But I like to, like we talk about my oven being different and that. So I'm going to leave it in there. And now I'm going to let you guys go. But before I go, I want you guys to start seeing me, I'm going to mix this. And I want you guys to start watching me do this. I made this before with you guys, but this is just my frosting, and I'm thinking about, Michael, making it pink. What do you think?
It's up to you. You have food coloring?
So, yeah, I have food coloring. I have like a red food coloring. We can use a little bit and make him like a little pinkish on the top. What do you think?
All right.
Yeah, that would be cool. So, guys, I'm going to let you go, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. We'll be right back. And as soon as those are out, we will be taking them out, and Michael will be eating one for everybody. So don't forget to subscribe and follow us everywhere. You know what to do. I am with the cupcakes. I took them all out of the oven. I had an accident with a couple of them. That was Michael taking them out from the pan. That one and then those two over there. But so far, what I've been doing is putting the frosting that I made from scratch on the cupcakes. They don't look too pretty because I've never have put in actually, I'm gonna be honest, like real frosting like this on any cupcake ever. That's the first time. So like they say, experience makes perfect. So I'm gonna keep on doing this. So if you guys want the recipe for the frosting, just link down below, and we will be adding up a separate video.
That's right.
With the directions of it. So I don't think they look that bad. What do you think, Michael?
They're beautiful.
I think they look pretty. That's the frosting. That's how it comes out. The other one, I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm going to make Suspiros, which is those sugar things. And yeah, with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. Look us up on Pinterest, on Google+, on Tumblr. And also, you can go down below and click on the link Patreon and donate $1 if you want. If not, it doesn't matter. I want you guys to still learn how to make these cupcakes. And one, not least, also, you want to go to lifesabundance.com/forall. It's very great dog food for your puppies and little fussy friends that we have at home. And with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Just click on the link, and it'll take you right to the website. This is what my cupcakes came out like. I think they're real pretty. I'm going to put the other ones around that made it, okay, before we go, so you guys can take a look. These are the ones that didn't broke on me. I think they look perfect. What do you think, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And with that, guys, we're going to let you guys go. Don't drink and drive. I love you all. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and ask me, and I'll be happy to answer you. Good night.